my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah,
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the second tutorial dedicated to creating this innovative car wheel. If you haven't seen the first part, I recommend checking it out. At the end of the previous tutorial we obtained this collection of curves. Let's start scaling these curves relative to their own center, specifically using the points we generated through rotation in the first tutorial. So we are going to scale these curves, and the central point of scaling is the output of a rotated 3D that we obtained at the end of the first tutorial. And the scaling factor is driven by this parameter that we call size of the exposed face. Now we have both the original curve and the scale one. Original curve is here and the scale one is here, and we will use both to generate a surface using the ruled surface command. So we use ruled surface as input. We have the first curve, and then we have the second curve that are the scaled ones. For aesthetic reason here, and so this is what we obtain, and for aesthetic reason I then transform it into a mesh using eye setting to obtain an accurate mesh. Okay, so we have created the outer faces. Now let's create the inner faces. So we want to create basically this part, and let's see how to do it. To do this, take the scaled curves. So we have the scale curves here, and move them in the y direction of a quantity that is defined by this parameter, rim depth. And then move also the center of the same amount, and in F we use a parameter that we call it percentage of rim opening. Let's see how it works. So this is our final loft between the starting curve and the scale 1, and let's see how the parameter influence the geometry. So rim depth will make this movement, and percentage of rim opening will do this one. And so after obtaining these two curves, we can create a surface using a loft. Once we have both the scaled curves and the translated center, we can apply the scale. Yes, the scale command, and then we join these two curves inside a loft. So resuming, we have this geometry, then we move it, but at the same time we have the center of the geometry that are here inside rotate 3D, and then we move them, and then we scale the curve, the moved curve, by the center of the geometry, and then what we obtain is this one, and now we have this curve and this curve, and then we loft them, creating the inner surface. The final step is to create the central button, the one where I inserted the Ferrari logo on the cover. So take the inner circle. The inner circle is basically here, the inner circle. Then we make a negative offset of a quantity defined by this parameter, wide center button. Okay, this offset, very simple. And then we extrude it in a negative y direction of a quantity defined by this height central button. And then we cap the hole, the top of this cylinder, and this is exactly the central button we wanted before. And okay, now we have everything in order to display, and what I have done is basically I applied this custom preview, and I assign the material, sometimes using this this create material component, and sometimes I take a reference material coming from Rhino. So I created before the material in Rhino. In this case was, I think, metal material, and I simply assign the material to the geometry using set 1 material. Okay, now we have our wheel perfectly working, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe to the channel. I wish you good work and a great day.